Hello, my name is John Sanders, Software Quality Assurance Engineer here at Rigaku Analytical Devices. Today, we will be going over how to upgrade your 1.0 Icon X device to the newly released 1.1 software version. First, you connect your Icon X to the Icon Device Management web suite. Once connected, we can see here that our software version is the intended 1.0.0.7060. Once verified, we can go to the Home, Upgrade, and Analyzer tab found on the Device Management web suite. Here, we will be able to upgrade our analyzer, and we can re-verify that we are at the correct 1.0 version. Clicking on Browse will open a file explorer to allow us to select the right Icon X 1.1 upgrader image. Once the correct image has been selected, you can verify that it is shown as the selected file. Once confirmed, you can press Submit and a spinner will appear while the update is applied to the device. Once the upgrade has been applied to the device, you will need to reboot the device so that way the upgrade takes effect. After pressing reboot, the device will power down and will need to be powered back up manually. After the device has been manually powered back on and has applied the update, reconnect to the Device Management web suite and verify on the device information page that the new 1.1 version of the software is seen as the software version. This verifies and confirms that the device has been upgraded to the latest version. Software upgrades to version 1.1 can also be done over USB drive access on the device itself. To do so, you will need a USB-C USB drive and copy the latest 1.1 version of the Icon X software to the USB drive on the root directory. Once copied, the USB drive can then be ejected and inserted into the Icon X device. Now that our USB drive has been properly prepared with the correct 1.1 image file, we can move to our Icon X device. First, access Global Settings and then Device Info to verify that the device is at the correct 1.0 version before upgrading. Move to Device Manager and enter the correct code to access the USB Access button. At first, this button will be disabled, but once our USB drive is inserted into the top USB port, it will become enabled. We can select USB access and then update software. Pressing Browse Files will allow us to find all images on the USB drive, and we will select the correct 1.1 image file. We can confirm that that image file is in the text box before pressing Update. After some time, once the upgrade is successfully prepared to be applied to the device, you will see a message to power down. Pressing the back button at this point will cancel the upgrade, but powering down will successfully apply the update to the device. After powering down the device, it will need to be manually powered back on. when the update will be applied. Once the upgrade has been successfully applied, the device will begin starting up as normal. After the device has properly started up, you can enter into the home screen and then Global Settings and check Device Info to verify that the 1.1 software update has been successfully applied to the device. I hope that this video has been informative of how to perform a software upgrade on an Icon X device. Thanks for watching.